Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And after years of waiting, we got Cooking with Floss, episode number 2. Floss versus Amaya. Now I'm gonna keep this short and sweet, so let's get right into it. Here's all the ingredients that you're gonna need. We got mozzarella cheese, pepperoni of your choice, we got Caesar salad, and Caesar dressing. Let's get busy. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, get a baking tray, grab some parchment paper, slap it on just like that. Next, we're gonna grab some mozzarella cheese and just spread it out. There it is. All right, so make sure you spread that cheese into a nice square. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is come in with the seasonings. So we got a little red pepper flakes. Just sprinkle a little bit, not too much. Just like that. We're gonna come in with some garlic. A little bit of garlic. Then we're gonna come in with some oregano. Now, I like a lot of oregano, so we're gonna spread it out. All right, so next we're gonna come in with the turkey pepperoni. Now Maya doesn't like this, so we're just gonna do half the tray. All right, so once you got the pepperoni on it, it should look like this. Next thing you wanna do, preheat the oven to 350. All right, so now we're gonna drop this in the oven for about 15 minutes. Just like that. Now while that's cooking, we're gonna grab the Caesar salad and toss that salad. No diddy. All right, so we're gonna drop in some Caesar dressing. Get it nice and moist. And we're gonna drop in some Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna toss it up. All right, so I'm gonna cover the salad with some aluminum foil, and we're gonna shake it up. Now, once it's done, it's gonna look like this. Beautiful. All right, so this should be ready. Let's check it out. There it is. Gotta get this up out of there. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Now we're gonna let that stand for a few minutes. All right, so now that we let this stand for about 10 minutes, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna peel this off, and we're gonna lay it down face up. Take a little tissue and pat out some of that extra grease. All right, so next, we're gonna come in with the Caesar salad. Just like that, and drop it on. Just like that. Fill it up. Once you spread it out, that's how it's gonna look. Then we're gonna come back with some Parmesan. Sprinkle a little over the top. Just like that. Then we're gonna wrap it up. Just like that. Now here's the finished product. Beautiful. And we're just gonna cut this right down the middle. Just like that. And this is what it's gonna look like when it's finished. Now the name of this meal is called Unbig My Back. Okay, because if you eat this shit every day, you're gonna unbig your back. So as usual, grab that last shot of Grey Goose. Take it to the head and enjoy. All right, so this is Cooking with Floss, episode number 2. I made the non-pepperoni version for Amaya. So if y'all want to see her try this out and y'all want to see what she cooked for me, click that link right there.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.